Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing this bougainvillea floor plan, part of the estate line of homes that you're going to find at Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club. This one here, the bougainvillea, is a non-golf home, so you don't have any golf dues. It's going to be right around 2,800 square foot, 3 bedrooms plus den. Nice, great room design. Let's run inside and take a look at this home. It is available now with a delivery date anticipated sometime around February. Now, as we walk into the bougainvillea, this is your great room area here. Your kitchen on this side. Right up front here, you have your dining space. Off to the side, this is where you're going to have your den right up here. Towards the back side here, this is going to be your master space. So on the left here, that's your bathroom. Over here, your bedroom with the bay windows overlooking that awesome view, which we'll take a look at here in a second. You also do have a doorway leading directly out to the lanai space. On the other side of the home are going to be your guest bedrooms, and this is where your kitchen would be. There's your island right here, and this would all be overlooking your great room space. You can walk out of the kitchen right here and head over to the guest bedroom. So this would be your guest bedroom here. This would be your bath, which ties into the guest bedroom, and this is your other guest bedroom, which ties into the pool bath, which would be right here. So nice access. You also have this large lanai. So right under here, you have this space to utilize, which does tie into your eating kitchen area right through that door. And then you've got this huge lanai under truss right here. So lots of outdoor living space. And this overlooks the lake here at Heritage Landing. All right, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.